minutes ago, I did not know what douyin meant at all, and I just looked it up. So apparently douyin is originally like the TikTok name of the Chinese application that kind of looks like TikTok. But then appeared this trend called the douyin makeup. Now Google says that the original douyin girl, like the most famous one, is Angela Young-Wing. So I'm guessing she kind of started this whole trend, or maybe people got inspired by her look. Douyin makeup combines several East Asian beauty trends into one specific look that has trended all over the app and is now being popularized in the West. So I'll insert on the screen some examples of douyin makeup so you can kind of see what it looks like. So I'm kind of gonna go with my guts and like follow the image that I'm seeing here. I'm gonna start with my normal skin routine, which is just basically this and a primer, and this is the Sephora Vitamin C Plus E. I really love it. I honestly noticed a lot of good changes in my skin ever since using it. Alright, next thing I usually do, because my skin is really dry, I use this Bioderma Nourishing Cream. I just put a bit on the dry places of my face, which is like my nose. So what I've noticed from the pictures is that there's a lot of pink in every douyin makeup. So I think for me, I'm gonna go with the MAC, I don't know what the name of this blush is, but I really love it. So there's not a lot of details about how you should do your foundation and stuff, so I'm just going to apply some concealer under my eyes, and if like I have some blemishes. By the way, guys, before I forget, I am wearing my blue lenses, and this is a huge, like, it makes a huge difference in this makeup, because douyin makeup is like the doll eyes, and wearing lenses definitely makes your eyes bigger. Like, it depends on which type of lenses you have, but for example, my lenses are bigger than my actual pupil. By the way, is it douyin or douyin? Alright, so that's it for my concealer. We're gonna head straight into the eyes because that's like the most interesting part. The eyebrows, there's not much about them, so I'm gonna try to just like add a few hairs. Alright, so something I've seen is that you need to have bags kind of under your eyes, and they need to be red. So like the red is gonna go, like you have to emphasize this place under your eye. Alright, so I'm using the MAC blush that I'm also gonna use on my cheeks, and I am just gonna go and put some red under my eye. I think it's better if I put the ring light in the middle. Next, I'm going to apply some more red, but on the top of my eyes. So I think I want to go in with the James Charles palette. I'm gonna use a like darker pink. I'm just gonna apply it here. Next, I'm going in with like a dark brown, and I'm actually gonna line my eye. So I'm going in with the darkest brown over here. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to actually go in with a white eyeliner, and this will make the eye bigger. And then I'm gonna go in with a black eyeshadow and sort of draw like a new line under my waterline to make my eyes bigger. So you see, like, this eye looks wider than this one already. Alright, so you'll also notice that I brought out the lower like black, but we're gonna blend all of this. Now what I'm gonna do is go in with a liquid black eyeliner, and you want it to be pointed up. And And I'm gonna take the eyeliner all the way inside, make it really thinner, and kind of make it like a cat eye, you know? So I'll maybe bring down a little bit of black here in the inner corner. So you notice how it really makes a huge difference in the eyes. Before I apply mascara, I want to actually do the blush part, just because the blush is really up high, like they apply blush sort of over here to give this face a more triangular like shape. So I don't want to smudge the mascara. It kind of goes on the bridge of your nose like that. And then I've seen people apply blush like literally on your cheekbone. It makes you look cuter, younger, more like, you know, like a doll. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara. I'm also going to focus the mascara on this side, not on the inside. You can also apply single eyelash extensions. I've seen people do that as well, but I don't have any. Alright, now to make myself even more pale on the rest of my face, I'm gonna use this like white powder. It's like a setting powder, and I'm gonna go over here. Now I think the lips are gonna do a huge difference in the whole entire look. I'm going to start off with concealing the edges. I know I look crazy right now, but we're not done with lips at all. Maybe I'll go with the same shade of blush. You can also go in with like a red lipstick. And then you can really go in with like a red color, but just in like the center of your lips. Like here and up. And now for the most important part, you're gonna apply lip gloss, and also putting it on. See, my face looks more triangular. I've also seen some people apply intense blush on like their just the tip of their nose, and this is taking it to the extreme once again, guys. If you're going out with this makeup, you might wanna skip this. Now I've noticed there's a lot of highlight on all the girls, so we're also gonna go with a very triangular highlight kind of, and also on your nose like this, maybe the forehead a little bit, here and here. They all pretty much have bangs, so I actually do have a bit of bangs. They are now flying, so I'll go ahead and do my hair, and I'll be back with the final result for you guys. I added like some fake lashes, and I also like added some white. I don't know if this is DOUYIN or this is like this last year's trend, the like KAWAII. Do you call it KAWAII? Let me know in the comments. And for some reason I have this since I was little, and it kind of like, it's a vibe, right? This is what I should have went as for Halloween. I am so stupid. Like, not that it's scary, it's not scary, it's so cute. Back to the outro. Please let me know what other trends, like makeup trends or fashion trends, you want me to try out, because I'm not always up to date. Like, it takes me a while to figure out what's trending on TikTok, mainly because I don't use TikTok a lot. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more. If you don't know who I am Joy. I'm Lebanese and I live in Qatar. I have some content about the FIFA, but I'm also focusing on fashion, makeup, and cooking sometimes, so you'll definitely find something you like. So yeah, I really enjoyed filming this video, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.